When it comes to towing, visibility is everything. Introducing the Clearview Next Gen Towing Mirrors, the ultimate upgrade for your towing experience. Designed with advanced technology and precision, these mirrors ensure safety, clarity, and a sleek, modern look for your vehicle. Built with a dual mirror system, the next-gen towing mirrors offer both wide-angle and flat mirrors, reducing blind spots and improving overall visibility. They extend outward smoothly, providing a broader field of view, perfect for towing trailers, caravans, or boats. Constructed from high-quality materials, these mirrors are durable, weather-resistant, and engineered to withstand harsh conditions. Whether you're driving through heavy rain, dust, or extreme temperatures, Clearview mirrors are built to last. With power adjustment options, you can easily control the mirror angles from inside your vehicle. Some models also feature electric folding, heating, and indicator lights, adding convenience and enhancing safety. The manual extension ensures adaptability, allowing you to extend or retract them based on your towing needs. Designed as a direct replacement for factory mirrors, Clearview Next Gen towing mirrors fit seamlessly onto a wide range of vehicles. The installation process is straightforward, making it easy for anyone to upgrade their setup without complex modifications. If you want superior visibility, enhanced safety, and a stylish design, the Clearview Next Gen towing mirrors are the perfect choice. Upgrade your towing experience today and drive with confidence. Are you ready to take your outdoor adventures to the next level? Introducing the Nestbox Supertramp 300, a compact, all-in-one camping system that transforms your vehicle into a camper in minutes. Designed for travelers, explorers, and weekend warriors, this modular setup brings convenience, functionality, and comfort wherever you go. Crafted with lightweight yet durable materials, the Supertramp 300 is built to withstand rugged conditions while maintaining a sleek, modern design. Its compact size ensures it fits perfectly into a variety of vehicles, making it an ideal choice for SUVs, vans, and off-road enthusiasts. The Nestbox Supertramp 300 is a complete camping solution, featuring a foldable bed system that provides a comfortable sleeping area. A fully equipped kitchen module with a 2-burner stove, water system, and storage space for all your essentials. Quick and easy installation, no drilling, no permanent modifications, just slide it in, secure it, and you're ready to go. Designed for ultimate versatility, the Supertramp 300 offers ample storage compartments to keep your gear organized. The water system includes a portable tank and pump, ensuring you have fresh water wherever you are. Plus, the kitchen unit is designed for effortless cooking, whether you're by the beach, in the mountains, or deep in the wilderness. Whether you're embarking on a road trip, overlanding, adventure, or weekend getaway, this system turns your vehicle into a self-sufficient mobile home. It's compact, practical, and ready for any journey, giving you the freedom to explore without limitations. Upgrade your camping experience with the Nestbox Supertramp 300, because adventure should be simple, comfortable, and always within reach. Have you ever opened a drawer and been hit with a wave of absolute chaos? Pins, batteries, old receipts, maybe even a half-eaten candy bar? Welcome to the world of Crunk Drawers, where order goes to die and randomness reigns supreme. A Crunk Drawer isn't just a place for misplaced junk. No, it's a time capsule of forgotten treasures. That missing charger? It's in there. A key to something, but what? That's the mystery. And let's not forget the random tools. Rubber bands, and that one item you swear you threw away years ago. But here's the thing, these drawers are more than just mess. They're the ultimate survival kits. Need a paperclip? Check the Crunk Drawer. A takeout menu from a restaurant that probably closed 5 years ago? You got it. And let's be honest, cleaning one out? That's a full-scale archaeological dig. You start with good intentions, but an hour later, you're sitting on the floor, flipping through old photos, playing with a yo-yo, and wondering how life got so complicated. So, whether you call it a junk drawer, a mystery box, or your secret stash of everything, one thing's for sure, every home has one, and no one truly understands how it got that way. Crunk Drawers, because some messes are just meant to be. When winter strikes and roads vanish under thick layers of snow, most vehicles are left struggling, or worse, completely stuck. But what if you could transform your truck into a snow-dominating machine in just minutes? Meet Track and Go, the world's most innovative and fastest installing wheel-driven track system. Unlike traditional track systems that take hours to install and require extensive modifications, Track and Go is designed for quick and effortless deployment. Instead of removing your wheels, you simply drive onto the tracks, lock them in place, and you're ready to conquer extreme winter conditions. No lifting, no special tools, and no permanent changes to your vehicle. Just pure, instant off-road capability. With its unique over-the-wheel design, Track and Go ensures superior flotation, keeping your vehicle on top of the snow instead of sinking in. The system provides exceptional traction and stability, making it ideal for deep snow, icy roads, and even rough off-road terrain. And thanks to its low rolling resistance, your engine maintains power and fuel efficiency, allowing for a smooth and controlled ride even in the harshest conditions. Built for extreme environments, Track and Go is trusted by first responders, emergency teams, utility services, and adventure seekers worldwide. Whether you're rescuing stranded motorists, delivering essential supplies, or exploring remote winter landscapes, this system keeps you moving when others are left behind. And the best part? Track and Go works with a wide range of vehicles, from standard pickup trucks to specialized fleet vehicles, making it the go-to solution for anyone needing reliable mobility in unpredictable terrain. So when the snow piles up and the roads disappear, don't stop. Keep going with Track and Go, where the adventure never ends. When you're hitting the trails at night or working in low-light conditions, controlling multiple lights efficiently is crucial. That's where the Rough Country Multiple Light Controller comes in, giving you the power to manage your vehicle's lighting setup with ease. This high-tech controller allows you to operate multiple LED light bars, pods, and auxiliary lights from a single, centralized unit. With a sleek, user-friendly control panel, switching lights on and off is effortless, helping you adapt instantly to changing conditions. Designed for rugged durability, the Rough Country Multiple Light Controller is built to handle extreme environments, with a weather-resistant design that stands up to rain, mud, and dust. Its compact, easy-to-mount setup keeps your dashboard clean and organized while ensuring quick access to your lighting controls. Whether you're off-roading, working on a job site, or upgrading your vehicle's lighting system, this controller delivers reliable performance, seamless operation, and total convenience. Take control of your lighting like never before with the Rough Country Multiple Light Controller. If you're looking to upgrade your Udo with a tray that delivers durability, functionality, and a sleek, modern look, then the Twerks Ute tray is the perfect solution. Whether you're a trad-eye, an off-road adventurer, or someone who needs a tough and reliable setup, this tray is built to handle whatever you throw at it. Made from high-strength aluminum or steel, the Twerks Ute tray is designed to provide maximum durability while keeping weight down. Whether you're working in extreme weather, driving through rough terrain, or hauling heavy equipment, this tray is built to last. Its corrosion-resistant materials ensure long-term performance, so you can rely on it for years to come. Customization is key, and Twerks offers a range of features to suit your needs. You can choose from high-sided trays for added security, underbody toolboxes for organized storage, ladder racks for carrying longer loads, and multiple tie-down points to keep everything secure. Whether you're transporting tools, camping gear, or heavy machinery, this tray is designed to make your life easier. For easy access, the quick-release drop sides and reinforced tailgate allow for hassle-free loading and unloading. The heavy-duty flooring provides a stable and secure base, making it perfect for carrying heavy loads without worrying about wear and tear. Plus, the sleek, professional design enhances the look of your Uda, giving it a tough and premium finish. Proudly Australian-made, Twerks Ute trays are built with precision engineering and real-world testing, ensuring they stand up to the demands of tough work and harsh environments. Whether you're on the job site, off the beaten track, or simply looking for a more efficient way to transport your gear, This tray is designed to perform when you need it most. So why settle for anything less? Upgrade your Uda today with a Twerks U tray, because when the job gets tough, Twerks gets tougher.